Ever wondered if you could eat your way to a faster recovery? Whether it's a small cut, a scrape, or post-surgery healing, what you eat can make a huge difference. Today, we're diving into the top 10 fruits that can help speed up your wound healing process. First up, let's talk about citrus fruits like oranges. They're loaded with vitamin C, which is a superstar for producing collagen. Collagen is the protein that literally rebuilds your skin, so getting enough of it is crucial. Next, we have strawberries. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. This combo helps repair damaged tissues and gives your immune system the boost it needs to fight off any potential infections. Moving on to tropical delights, mangoes are fantastic for healing. They contain a powerful duo of vitamins A and C. Both are essential for cell regeneration and ensuring your skin repairs itself properly and stays healthy. Then there's pineapple, which has a secret weapon called bromelain. This enzyme is amazing at reducing swelling, bruising, and inflammation around a wound. Less inflammation means a smoother and faster recovery. An apple a day might just keep the slow healing away. Apples are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help form new tissue and protect the delicate, healing skin from further damage. Don't underestimate the small but mighty kiwi. It's a powerhouse of vitamin C, vitamin E, and zinc. All three work together to accelerate healing by promoting collagen synthesis and strengthening your body's defenses. Let's not forget grapes. They contain special compounds like resveratrol and flavonoids. These might sound fancy, but their job is simple: improve blood flow to the wounded area and help repair damaged cells, which is exactly what you need. Bananas are another great choice. They provide vitamin B6 and potassium, which are key for cell regeneration and maintaining skin elasticity as it heals. This helps minimize scarring and keeps the new skin flexible. Feeling thirsty? Grab some watermelon. It's incredibly hydrating and provides vitamin C and essential amino acids. Proper hydration is vital for keeping the healing area moisturized from the inside out. Last but not least, avocado. It is loaded with vitamin E and healthy fats that work wonders to reduce inflammation and help your body rebuild strong, healthy skin tissue. Here's a pro tip: to get the most out of these fruits, combine them with foods high in protein and zinc, like eggs, nuts, or fish. This will give your body all the building blocks it needs for a super speedy recovery. So next time you're healing, remember to add these amazing fruits to your diet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching.